Yagni benta jongga kubor la OneRasP daga fatafat online shopping store.
Kaseng BJP Meghalaya State Unit ka Kwah baka Sorkar jala kadeban Khot Iakren sugno bar ka Nyutrap National Liberation Council Hnlc uba Ernest Mauri President kaseng habai Iakren baginong thok kubor ka skining kong ka khasantare ujeliu ulong baka jingwan Iakren suk kani kaseng leno Nyutrap kan wanra ikasuk kasanya ha ka jala.
If they come over ground to negotiate with us, we are ready to help them, even to meet our central leader, even with the Amit Shahji, the Honorable Minister of Ministry of Home Affairs.
Haga joga porba Ernest ula ai ka jero yu menteri rang badu ka riu Narendra Modi da ka boong bana do pasanchar mo u kumbah nyopo na ka shispa ki kamleno na ka thanch te lamingi kila duna bar kumbah nyopo kandai na ka shispa ki kamto kam them kila hiar.
We know that northeastern India was suffering from various insurgency related issue for a long time. But ever since Modi ji took over, there has been almost 70% reduction in insurgency incident and 79% reduction in civilian death. Kidnapping and abduction case fell by 62% in the region and 78% reduction in security force casualties in the year 2019. Modi ji has brought peace, and peace is the first step for the development and growth.